Kasa neno olinya watufu. Nze nkugoberera ne manya wesirinya kuba nakulaba ngo olinya ngo sesetuka. So I respect Chameleon for that, and out of the whole entire milestone of his whole journey, I respect that he still got time in his heart to give us a chance and stand here between Crystal Panda, Omega 256, Palazzo, Nimrod, Deno, Prim, Kalika Prim, Kokarundi, Kalimedia, Denako, Nekatilito Joe. Honestly, Mr. Chameleon, thank you for loving us process by process.
Hey! One for Panda, and get it your gula baby, Eddie Yosika, and get it your way to the sorry Mundazosita, and get it your gula nigga the Kokada, the good water, all the movement, commenter. We know what's up, young nigga, not what we make it. Borika doesn't say for what Yo big up DJ Nimrod mwana. Uli waka binyo Galaxy FM 1 to wina challenge wa isamu mwana.
Never DJ tubawe mo bugalo.
Yes. Yo Olimsajja watabu nnyo mwena mwana ne boss Innocent tukuyise kaawo ne munayo kimanyi bulungi oyino tubuza mu mbuzi ya style you know ebyo tukaorganize so balaba fe twasanyuka nani nembo bagala bali simu tukubira ku bugalo tubuliddeyo yeah DJ Dano fire twende
hold on before we go there statements za palace za yogende Chameleon. Right now, tewali intalo zilize mwalwana nga ziliembi ko street za club Silka au ko street za Njenwa. What does this show?
Ati zala uliali bangali.
Mwaita
kamotoka kaka pia hata ba firebase baje bakasiga sige ebintu karibu wokoloti. Anyway, amazima 214 zikiza mu kintu ati buli muntu akula mu life. Ate buli kintu mu life ba stage yitinoko outgoing, you know.
Yes.
Era nzige mu kumpu okula bali batubulye ebisero yagamba. Okwati mukubagana nga avuka abato kiri fine. Naye as long as you must outgrow it. Kati outwavaawo. You know, era ntuli abayibi abere nibeetiisa muina beef. Ezo cabbage bitwalira beef yenyini. Ate tumuvaako.
You became humble. Somehow you became humble, Chameleon.
Wasi.
Balaso, ninge.
Omanyi lwaki okuga humble is because ndi musanyufu. I'm contented with where I am. Siina mu lwenda njagala kakasa nti oba man, live your life, I live my life. That's about it. Katuna yanjagala nnyo abayibi otufuddeko abala kwama bali katuna bakyako gadde okyali Chameleon. Nyamba lisuuti gye yakutungira ogyeyagaliremu togikyafuwa. That's what it's about.
Something I want us to speak about, because I know when a music promoter loses business, an artist loses business as well. But I've seen screenshots move around of promoters in Abafilidwa said. And I'm asking myself, where are the musicians?
Njakudda mu nti wena system you just said about promoter were losing a business, never in losing a business. It should just inviting what you are correcting and artist is the business. promoter eba grade ndala kakati promoter ate jukira mu Uganda jitubera ba promoters amba ine mirimu emirala ngana wembi olwaine mirimu emirala nengo go kwantipa promoting gusinga go for your cent kati yenda ile yakole enteekateeka eyo kulanti asotinga promoter katana sorting aba manufacturer okitegedde yakolamu yasoma P2 nga tanasoma P1 you know yeah skipping era kyoba nti no screenshots ezolaba biresemu embirani mu bantu you know promoters kati wali promoter omu bwesijja kwasamuza manya yatuukera ngamba Chameleon nze mutegeka buli mwaka kituufu ategeka shemu era tugikola nekola ki yategekeza Australia yategekeza Embarara yategekeza Egundi so basically industry eno kibanti to unite nze ng'abayimbi love jola bano Crystal Panda Chameleon Omega 256 Melody tugezaako okuteekateeka industry yaffe ebeeremu box eri branded ng'efaanana nga business enawe ekola ki bwebeera naye era promoter go guys senze bafana bachazi era bazisolisa debizo
promoter okufuna sente ng'omuyimbi tafunye sente
nze kyendowooza abantu bangi bekwese mu mulimu gw'okuyimba guno kubanga okuyimba ogenda ng'onoonyereza kazi babemu abakola ku radio oba ali ku TV aweereza it stands with the content creator ffe tuli ba content creator kabeere DJ by'ozannya era ogenda okuzannya nga you playing content that somebody has created you can't DJ without content so kati nze kyeŋŋamba abantu bangi bekwese mu bayimbi bonna bali ku bayimbi kubasunira era nagenza okulaba ebitongole ebimu nga ndabayo n'abantu bangi bafunye identification bewandiisa okufuuka bayimbi tetwewandiisa bwewandiisa we were known by the works of our hands and our voices and you guys loved us and you started paying for us waliyo n'abasasula mu baagale era mu business mwe bali ey'okuyimba nga bo basasula babaagale naye nga tebabaagala nga tebaagala ffe nosanga n'omuyimbi ng'agamba nze saagala kumanya mumanyira naye nga abantu gwe baagala so ekyokuyimba kintu tekirina limit so nze kyendowooza government yaffe n'abavuddeeko yo stimulus budget cause kiraga nti eggwanga lyaffe lirina position mweliri bwe tuba nga tuli ku level erina ne stimulus but let it be distributed properly nga mukulu wange bwagambye legendary ayinamu experience sina nakugatta nnyo ku bigambo bye but nga bwagambye nti fake ingredient kiringa mononywa kakoko zero nga temuli kasoda kakati ensobi yakoleddwa ne basooka mu P2 nga tebanasoma P1 tubadde tubeegayiridde basome P1 badde mu P3
Crystal Panda, do you think Ugandan artists are actually vulnerable?
In which way?
Something we're talking about. Promoter okufuna sente nga abayimbi abagamba nti bebasinga obweta
okufuna sente. Yeah, definitely I agree 100% with what they said. And if you look at the industry right now, when they were saying right now, kati sanga kali fake nze nyina okuka side gig. Na abayimbi balamwana bali bubi. Eshagera kati kwa promoter sente ngate nze kugenda otegeka. Ati kati nze bwe nafa promoter tagenda kubana mulimu. Eshagera so ina kusoka kulabirira nze agenda okuletera promoter sente. So twali tuziraba naye abamu tetulina nnyo madduka sente tubaleka ne wali akantu kaabwe kati ffe katubeere no tweyiye kati nabo bajje bwe balijjo tubuukinga naffe bwe tujja okugattirawo.
What are your thoughts? Promoter okufuna sente nga omuyimbi tanaba kufuna sente.
Promoter bwafuna ate nga afuna ne ku muyimbi business is embarrassing. Yes, because promoter tuba tubasasula okitegera
bafuna sente ba promoter ni mulwe
promoter. I just don't get it. At the end of the day, promoter agenda kutegeka ekivulu sira agenda.
I would love to ask the legend that is with us today, because I mean, Twali Rose and
the living legend, mwana bwana famu na yukereki. Muyo chali mulamuyi. Is it pleasing?
Ama baby yogera lito jeso kwa mwenze.
Baby wawa tuso mutukutiko nawe.
Initially we thought the COVID agenda kubera wane miezi mitono. Buli omwadde ku mulimu gwa kolechi. But now we are counting close to 2 years, and you guys especially are not working. So you, as a legend, a guy that has experience, what do you think is the way forward for musicians? How would you advise them?
Yeah, way forward, fena tukize nti gwanga lina lili grounded. See just bayimbi boka. You know? Police number. Sanga legene kachito kwa ndasanga nti omanyi tulowooza nnyo nga tuse kisenge yesaabu emu kati alowooza at the best of their knowledge. You know? Naye bikyogamu tetukola ate fosebo superstars nga tukola. Nja for example ngenda Burundi nga 14 August.
But not everyone is as much as Chameleon, you know.
Adi kaja wetu awukanira batuliko wansi. Wakati ngenda ne Malawi, namuzo mwezi gakwenda mukaga, tugenda Burkina Faso. Bana ba mama mwe olala kamba buli eno kati kajegerwa tumusiza mwezi.
N'abanyarwanda babadde wano nga bakunoonya.
Kirenge eno. Kyekyazimbisa Nowe ekyombo kuba bali basuubira amataba kati tulibodde nga bafuna essomo. Although mu njogera entuufu abantu tulina many ways of making money. Necessary companies is called advertisements. Yes, endorsements are able to run for endorsements to boosting social media, you know. For example, the YouTube and paying the other quarter video that take you know, and you see never music way. Same as a ton to YouTube, Christopher Chimani, Edikeza, Chimai Paraso, Yabigis, Vitu, Maito, to Babucos, Medicare. Now come on, Amaziga way to Cote. Now, Vigis, like I said, YouTube, still Kafura, Wanga, Puyabo, so anyway, to develop bigger social media, so on the mobile number. Anyway, the truth about it is to see to get a money on platforms as Gadeo, Ransom, but in Babwe by the COVID, whatever. I saw no money in Akabye is something like channel be in front of it. It's possible.
I know very well that there are lots and lots of musicians, starting with these that are here with us today, and others that are listening to us on radio. Chameleon is lucky enough to have music that cuts across. Like Zawa Tugameta, agenda Zimbabwe, agenda Rwanda, agenda. I need you to say Chameleon to explain to the musicians today how important it is to have music that cuts across. Because look at the situation that we are in now. But Jose Chameleon has gigs.
Balaso bakubuzo kanuda amaso
Omega wa mbarara akozatya okutuuka Kampala
buno budde ate tutume gutula butuzi tutula awo tutudde to developing other things ebikyali mulimu gwaffe oyogedde ku Omega 256 wembalala ne mukama omuyambi ali wana aliki tatudde kaira ali mu promotion wa music way Christopher Ndawulo ne ali wana yeah let's use whatever we are left with, you know.
Christopher, have you had a gig, for example, outside Uganda?
Not really, but I had one in Rwanda with the band, I never show. But as an artist, didn't be like, you know, negative, you know, last year, right now it's never for me. But I hope.
What have you learned from this whole COVID situation?
As a person, man, I'm listening to music, but then I got into music last year and I was so lucky. And I thank God every time. Now, changes them which sing and man. We don't mean being good, yeah, you don't depend on music. We don't go on a side gig. Never ever depend on music.
We don't want a side
gig. We can't even have a kalima kakebali. What a majago, maybe one Majago. That's something I've learned. What a majago, anytime to mania. Where is a no fit the walls? Grown up, where is a fit the walls of the Mukuyimba?
Christopher is very sensitive though. That's one of the examples. In 2008, an accident in Tanzania, then grounded, you know. Name go never sing an arista. Sina was side gig. Or whatever come up with the idea waiting with your job, as I said. Anyway, I need very so much to defend as a fraternity. To preparing a wood of Gorachi, which are two for your Mukuro, which I will be so far. About Murundeku, about Murundeku, Bozi.
It's your turn. What have you learned in the whole COVID-19 situation?
The changes
Luzungu.
Takala tubere wamu nawe. COVID-19. Well, kat COVID-21. Yatandika 19 ngatumanyi just right there around the corner. Naye kati we passed the corner. Changes nti buli omu yeetaaga munne. Ate changes ekirala by the way abantu kye batonnalaba nti we have entered a new normal. New normal twalowooza nti it's a temporary new normal, but it's a permanent new normal. Some things are never going to leave our lives.
True.
The sorrow, the memories, the masks, the boredom.
The year itself.
Yes, the year itself.
Shit.
So, netuyiga nti it's also a year. Omanyi mu bikonde baga protect yourself at all times.
Yeah.
Kati buli oli lwasula God, it's the perfect time to strike. Kati this esobola okubeera nga it's the perfect time for you to strike your dream. Kubanga eno pandemic strikinze omugagga omwavu asobola atasobola bonna wamu buli omu ashakinze. And if you hold your ground strong, if you have hope, if you hold on, if you think positively right now, you can conquer the world. So in a time, because it's a time when there is a digital revolution. Social media is going through an era of socialites, where socialites are just arriving. In Uganda, to live celebrating Galukumi. Nebo no Yabayina Chevakole too for Inzoxango in Akonga Chikumi. Never very popular by just being socialites, Nebidala, Kubanga, it's an era of possibilities. You can be anything you want to be during this time when the world is hot. You can start fixing the world. You can start trying to be something, because when you become something, you give us hope and you understand?
Have you ever thought of the fact that you can do well as a pastor?
If you come to my church, will you come?
Again, I will say, don't get young.
Chameleon, Panda,
I already told you.
No. I've been speaking about, the value of having a side gig.
Yeah.
What does Omega do aside music? She laughs?
No, she doesn't. She doesn't do
what?
anything else.
She doesn't do anything else.
Yeah.
So how has Omega been surviving for close to 2 years now?
I think I'm lucky because I've had a management behind me, but sensobola okugamba omuyimbi omulala ninga omwesongozi wenolyokwe it is better to have a side because you can never know tomorrow.
Yeah.
So natukatta kumanya muntu kitaha, so
Omega 256. Is DJ Nimrod part of your management?
No, he's not.
He's just a friend.
Anti Nimrod weda wenza side linga ngamwe nyibiyenye ni bali. Ninga boy artist ya tebo muguma nnyo.
Yeah. Omega.
Yeah.
What does it take to be part of your management?
Okay, Nimrod. I think you'll have to first talk to Nash Ways. I think I'll talk to Nash Ways and tell me what it takes. Yeah.
What I say?
Me there,
Let's look for other jobs. Okay.
Omega 256. What does it take to be part of your management without talking to Nashwe?
What does it take to be part of your mismanagement? Mismanagement.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.
I've made that loom.
Oluma n'omega.
Litajo.
Yo.
Salamu alaikum.
Wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Allahumma la bazida wa tama salatu qaima. Ati Muhammad wan fasilata makama